Today, we're diving into the world of unbelievable workout hacks used by professional athletes that you probably haven't heard of. While many of us are familiar with traditional training methods, this video will uncover some lesser-known tips that can take your fitness routine to the next level. From unconventional recovery techniques to unique strength-building exercises, these insights are designed to optimize your workouts and enhance your performance. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, you'll find valuable information that can transform the way you train. Part 1. The power of recovery. Recovery is often the unsung hero of athletic performance, and professional athletes know it well. Techniques like active recovery and foam rolling play a crucial role in improving muscle recovery, helping to reduce soreness and enhance flexibility. By incorporating light activities and targeted muscle release, athletes can bounce back faster and train harder. Sleep optimization is another key factor. Quality rest not only aids in muscle repair, but also boosts workout efficiency, allowing athletes to perform at their best. Additionally, hydration strategies are vital for recovery, with pros emphasizing the importance of staying properly hydrated before, during, and after workouts. By adopting these recovery techniques, you can significantly enhance your performance and ensure your body is primed for the next challenge. Remember, recovery is just as important as the workout itself. Part 2. Nutrition secrets. When it comes to peak performance, professional athletes rely on nutritional hacks that can make all the difference. One key aspect is macronutrient timing. Consuming the right balance of proteins, fats, and carbohydrates at specific times can significantly affect energy levels and recovery. For instance, fueling up with carbs before a workout can enhance endurance, while protein post-exercise aids in muscle repair. Additionally, many athletes incorporate lesser-known superfoods like spirulina and beetroot into their diets, which are packed with nutrients that boost performance and recovery. Meal prepping and planning are also crucial for maintaining consistent nutrition, allowing athletes to stay on track with their dietary goals despite busy schedules. By adopting these nutritional strategies, you can optimize your diet and elevate your fitness journey to new heights. Part 3. Mental strategies. Mental toughness is just as important as physical strength for athletes, and they employ various techniques to enhance focus and motivation. One powerful method is visualization, where athletes mentally rehearse their workouts or competitions, creating a clear picture of success. This technique helps build confidence and prepares the mind for the challenges ahead. Additionally, mindfulness and meditation have gained popularity among athletes for their ability to improve concentration and reduce anxiety. Setting realistic goals is another essential strategy. By breaking down larger objectives into manageable steps, athletes can track their progress effectively and stay motivated. Incorporating these mental strategies can lead to improved performance and a more fulfilling fitness journey, proving that a strong mind is key to achieving your goals. Part 4. Innovative training methods. Professional athletes are always on the lookout for unique training methods that give them a competitive edge. One approach involves unconventional exercises that specifically target muscle groups often overlooked in traditional workouts. For example, using tools like kettlebells or resistance bands can enhance strength and stability in ways that standard weights may not. Additionally, technology plays a significant role in modern training. Wearables like fitness trackers and smartwatches allow athletes to monitor performance metrics in real time, helping them make data-driven adjustments to their routines. Cross-training is another innovative method that athletes embrace, as it combines different types of workouts to improve overall fitness and reduce the risk of injury. By incorporating these innovative training methods, you can elevate your performance and achieve your fitness goals more effectively. Let's recap. We explored some incredible workout hacks used by professional athletes to enhance their performance. We highlighted the importance of recovery techniques, such as active recovery and sleep optimization, alongside nutritional strategies like macronutrient timing and the inclusion of superfoods. We also discussed mental strategies, including visualization and mindfulness, as well as innovative training methods that utilize technology and cross-training. Now it's your turn to implement these hacks into your own fitness routine for better results. Remember, small changes can lead to significant improvements. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and share it with fellow fitness enthusiasts. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tips and see you next time.